Some people have a fan that they swear is cursed. Well, for me, it's this 1981 Casablanca Delta 1. I'm talking quietly so my new neighbor won't judge me. Her dogs are the splashing you hear in the background. Blades reverse from central to the logo tip. And the side band is slightly discolored because it's from a 1983 Delta covered in cigarette tar. I honestly don't mind it. I bought this fan as you see it, except I removed a white spotlight kit and added a no light screw. The finishes didn't match. This is my 18,000th attempt recording this fan. I think it's finally going to turn out good. Or at least halfway decent. I have something pretty special for you guys coming up right after this. So this is low. Medium. I'm already getting a breeze from it at this distance. I'm about another 1.5 feet maybe behind the camera. Ah, dogs. Don't you love them? Lower reverse. Stupid jet. Yeah. Ow! That's my head. The brackets appear to be slightly steeper pitched than other Casablancas of the era. Maybe that's just me. Maybe the error, because this thing is a little slower in reverse, I think. 0 to high. I'll put the reverse switch in the middle. And spin down. After this, I'll be doing something I've never done before. It'll be pretty obvious. Go away, mosquito. But hey, my mosquito system does go over here. New day, every day. Where's the apple? Ah, there's one. There's one. How did I not know it went this far? I wonder it runs so long. Hurry up and stop already, shit. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.